All right, guys, as you can see, the wire harness is almost done. More than half is done. Uh, I used the wire loom and some electrical tape to fix. Electrical tape I use just for to fix a broken wires. This is what I use for wire loom. It's a Tessa tape. Uh, I do I do miss a couple of plugs. There's this one over here that goes. I think this is oil pressure. I think I can't remember really. And then that goes on here. But mostly everything is done. Uh, I just started putting it back. There's a couple of things that I still have to attach. I do think this one has to go over and then it goes underneath. It goes under the thing and then it goes here to connect to a ECU. By the way, the ECU one is right underneath there. I still have to start doing that one where the fuses and everything is. Main ground, which I will probably be cutting this part and getting a new one. What else? Oh yeah, I took out the seats because I'll be replacing this carpet. I'll be buying a new one, so I'll be replacing that. And yeah, that's pretty much an update. What's going on while this quarantine is happening. Uh, like I said, just a quick update on status. Uh, a lot of people would probably say that this is a ghetto fix. That you should take everything off, strip it, put the tape again, and start it all over again. I really don't have. I have a time for it, but I don't have patience for it. So this car is taking forever to be finished, and it just I'm just I want to drive it, so I'm kind of in a rush right now. Oh, and also I did started putting the suspension. As you can see, it's brand new. I bought the brand new suspension, as well as doors. Doors are coming. Probably Monday. There will be a surprise on that. I will show you guys what's going on with the doors, what I got, and I'm super happy with it. I'm super happy because I got a good deal. So yeah, I got that, and then one more thing, I do have my head, engine head, back from the machine shop where they gave it a glass finish. They resurfaced it, so I will be doing a video on that as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. A Now I'm in the process of like I said, putting this together. Then I will be probably like I said, working on the doors when they arrived here on Monday. Uh, Brembos are still there. I'm still having some problems and issues with that. Uh, it's not really a problem. It just I gotta figure out where can I get hub centric rings for it, so the rotor don't fly. I mean, don't walk. So yeah, I gotta figure out that too, and then yeah, that's pretty much what's happening lately with the Eclipse. Uh, just that, and then oh yeah, I found a little run over here that I couldn't buff. So I'm gonna be repainting this whole panel and re-clearing. Not nothing big, so I got that done. Well, I mean, I already sanded it, so I got that going as well. So yeah, that's what's been happening lately. So yeah, stay tuned for update on Monday. It's gonna be great. Can't wait for it to arrive. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and supporting me. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, of course, and yeah, share it with your friends. All right. So yeah, stay safe, guys, especially with this virus thing. Stay inside and work on your babies. All right, guys. Take care. Peace.